Well, the last thing I'll ask about for today is another of the elephants in the room, and that's AI and the competition between the United States and China. How do you see the AI wars, for lack of a better term, playing out, and more particularly, playing out for the economics of the two countries?
Well, I mean, America's going to go through a boom and bust. It's going through a boom right now because there's so much spending on AI, data centers, and so on that's a huge part of the investment push in America. But the typical thing when you get a new technology like AI, every company that goes in has the ambition of being the only company at the end of the whole process. So you get massive overinvestment. That causes a boom and follows up with a slump later. When the slump occurs, that's when the technology tends to permeate society. This is pretty much Schumpeter's theory of economic booms and busts. So I expect America to have a bust at some point when, I mean, it looks like the costs versus the revenue of AI are completely out of sync. So the costs are about 10 times the revenue, roughly between 5 and 10 times the revenue at the moment. So there's got to be lots of bankruptcies coming through, and there'll be a slump in America because of that. Also, the Americans, typical of bloody Americans, have gone for brute force. So that's where all the data centers are coming from. As much energy as necessary, we'll just use the energy and get the answers. The Chinese seem more focused on reducing the energy cost involved and potentially having AI you can run on your own machines rather than using a data center. And I think that is just part of their overall orientation to avoid energy use and to be, again, produce stuff which can mean local self-sufficiency. But I've got a feeling it means Chinese AI is going to beat American AI. So you get the worst of both worlds coming out of this. America goes through a boom and bust, and then it ends up being China that's got the better AI at the end of it anyway. And therefore, potential exports of AI around the rest of the world, America starts losing out to China. It only was going to be successful domestically if it restricts access to the Chinese AI, and they'll do it on ideological grounds.